Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect the USB pen drive to your Samsung normal HD TV. And on my hands now I have the USB. So to connect it to your TV, you just need to plug it into your USB port on the side of the TV. So after you connect, and just wait a few seconds, and this menu list will display on your TV. You just press confirm to use the USB disk, and now it will bring you to the media player, and you can just check the setting of this USB, and you can check the information. There are some information of the USB, and just press return, and we have the three type of the playlist in this menu screen. First of all, we can check the photo, so it will filter all the photo to this folder. So we can open one picture and then change to another picture. So I just input the same image and then press return. Another one, and this the music folder, it will filter all the music here. Just play it. Okay, now just play it. Another one is the video, so I play one video. Okay, good evening everyone, and today video, and it can play that video too. Okay, and I think that's all for today's video of how you can connect the USB pen drive to your Samsung normal LED HD TV. And thank you everyone for your time for watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.